How many minutes are there in 3 hours? The correct answer is option 180. How many seconds are there in 5 minutes? The correct answer is option A, 300. How many hours are there in 360 minutes? The correct answer is option D, 6. How many minutes are there in half an hour? The correct answer is option B, 30. How many seconds are there in 2 minutes? The correct answer is option B, 120. How many hours are there in 1 day? The correct answer is option 24. How many minutes are there in a quarter of an hour? The correct answer is option B, 15. How many days are there in 2 weeks? The correct answer is option C, 14. How many months are there in 2 years? The correct answer is option C, 24. How many minutes are there in 1 hour and 45 minutes? The correct answer is option C, 105.